Hey there guys, and welcome back to our channel, where we show you how to use AI effectively. In today's video, I'll show you how you can quickly create shorts for YouTube. Thanks to AI, it's never been easier to start generating ad revenue on YouTube. Let's begin. Quickly log into Chatgpt and start off by teaching Chatgpt to generate fresh quotes for you while maintaining the same pattern. My request will be to create 3 quotes resembling this pattern, each consisting of 2 statements. Type in, "Create for me 3 quotes similar to this pattern." Statement 1. What do girls love most in a marriage? Statement 2. The peacefulness, the endless amounts of happiness, and the undying amount of love flowing in the air. As a result of this instruction, Chatgpt produces 3 brand new quotes. We can repost the same prompt, this time asking for 100 quotes. Additionally, we can introduce a new prompt to structure these quotes into a table format, placing part 1 in one column and part 2 in the second column. Remember to ensure that the table prompt occupies the first line, since Chatgpt processes commands based on line numbers. Next, hit enter and wait for your quotes. If by any chance it fails to generate all 100 quotes at once, you can break it down into batches of 20 to 30 quotes. Once the process is completed, simply copy the table and paste it in either Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Our next tool is Text Magic. Begin by going to Google and searching for Text Magic. Click on the first link that appears. Next, copy the columns from your Excel sheet and paste them into the text box provided on the Text Magic website. Choose a voice profile from the drop-down menu. You can also click the play button to listen to the audio preview. Now click on the Download MP3 button. This brings us to the third free tool, Canva. Once you're on the Canva homepage, go to the Home tab and search for Mobile Video. Select one of the available templates and click on Customize this template. Now on the left side of the screen, ensure you're in the Design tab. In the search box, type Tech Quotes. Choose a video of your preference. Be aware that some videos may come with sound, so you'll need to click on the speaker icon to mute the audio. Additionally, remove any existing text from the video. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find your video timeline. If there are multiple videos in the timeline, you can select and delete them by clicking on Delete Page. We're now ready to create a custom template for your shorts. Initially, let's check the video duration. If it's too short, you can extend it by dragging the right edge. Now click on the Text tab on the left side to proceed with customizing the text. Begin by clicking on Add a Text box and type something like Love Facts. You can change the font style from the top toolbar and set the font size to your liking. Select the text and modify its color from the available options. Position the text at the desired location by dragging it to the top. Next, click on Effects and play around with what you like most. To create a duplicate of this text box, click on the duplicate icon and then drag it down to the center. Change the animation style for this duplicated text, perhaps opting for a bounce or any other style that suits your preference. Adjust the text color to white with a black background. Open your Excel sheet and copy the first part of your quote. Then paste it into this text box. Now, create another duplicate of this box and move it slightly downward. Paste the second part of the quote into this box. Here you'll need to set the duration of the first part to 5 seconds. To do this, right-click on the first part of the quote, select Show Timing, and a text bar on the timeline will appear. Drag it from the right edge to adjust the duration to 5 seconds. Similarly, click on the second part of the quote to select the text box and adjust its duration from both the left and right edges. Ensure that you move the video from the right edge to match the text duration. Finally, move both text boxes to the center of the screen. At the bottom, include your channel's handle in a similar manner. Click on the Edit Video button and increase the vignette to 100 to achieve the desired effect. This approach will create a central focus for the viewers, ensuring a captivating visual experience. With our video template now prepared, we can streamline the process by inserting quotes. Begin by clicking on Add from the left sidebar, and in the search box type Bulk Create. Search the corresponding icon and then choose Enter Data Manually. A pop-up window will appear presenting a table. Click on Clear Table at the bottom left. Next, copy the rows from the Excel table, including the column titles Statement 1 and Statement 2, and paste them into this table. Once completed, click on the Done button. Now, we want to connect the Statement 1 and Statement 2 text boxes with the data from the table, which is a straightforward process. Begin by moving the second part text box below and right-click on the first part. Go to Connect Data and select Statement 1, then right-click on the second text box and choose Statement 2. After completing this step, move the second part text box back to the center to ensure there are no errors. You should now see check marks indicating the successful connection. Click on the Continue button followed by Generate Pages. Now your shorts are automatically created. With that, this video has come to an end here. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more informational content. Until then, goodbye.